It was a busy Wednesday for firefighters from across the region. Dry, windy conditions. This was west of Reynolds around 5 o'clock on Wednesday evening. Several hundred acres of CRP land burned. It didn't threaten any farmsteads in this area. But then firefighters wound up being called back out again at 11:13 p.m. last night.
Reynolds Fire, please respond to a grass fire. Grass fire is approximately half a mile from residents at 15584 17th Street Northeast in Reynolds. Apparently this is a grass ditch fire and it is getting out of hand.
Now, while firefighters from Reynolds, Buxton, and Hatton battled this CRP grass fire on Wednesday afternoon, southwest of here, Findlay firefighters were also called out.
Findlay Fire, please respond to CPR Marathon Fire, straight west of Findlay, about 3 miles.
And while all this was going on, a report of another grass fire southeast of Crookston at 5:36 p.m. at Beltrami.
Paging Beltrami Fire for a grass fire, County 14, just north of the Scandia Piler. This was radioed in by the Beltrami Fire.
Then at 9:24 p.m., another fire call in the far northern valley by Cavalier.
Cavalier Fire, Cavalier Ambulance, you got a report of embers burning in trees at County Road 12 and 91st Street.
And also Thursday evening, we had another fire call southwest of Bagley. This would be was south of the Bagley Casino. So you're going to need to be careful with fire. Again today, a high of 63 degrees and wind gusts of 23 miles per hour across the Northern Valley on this Thursday. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.